Hi kids, so today we're going to look at a new type of variables called strings. Remember, we've already covered numbers as a type, so string is another type, okay? And if just to remind you about the type function that we talked about in the last class, so a string is, you've been already seeing them right from the first program that we wrote, the hello world, okay? So if I had a variable called name and I write my name is Nanda, okay, and I say that what is the type of name, you can see is str, which is just a short for string, just taking the first three characters of string, okay? So you'll see a lot of this in programming where we shorten things, not write long names, okay, but they stand for the same meaning. So, and that is a string. So a string, basically, I would say that anything you put inside a quotes, double quotes or single quotes. And so if the same, I will do something like your name is Jane, okay? You can still do the same. So you see, if I print out your name, so let me print out my name and your name both together. You can see Nanda Jen, okay? So that is a string. And a bit of why the name string, you know, first time maybe you had a string is like if you're a musician, you know the strings of a guitar. But that is not really the origin of this word. This word came from mathematics background, where string just meant a sequence of things lined up together. So that's a sequence. So as you can see, so think about a string as a sequence of these things, like what we call them characters. Okay, so if we were to define a string, we'll say it is a string is a sequence of characters. Or just in simple terms, characters one after another. One after another. Okay? And what is a character? Character is that single thing like H, okay? E.g. H is a character. A character, sometimes we call it character. So yeah, computer science has these languages that sometimes don't go hand in hand with the real life. So character, for us, we know it's like your character, you're a good person. But character here means that specific item on a string. So when they are together, when they're coming after another, E coming after H, L coming after E, another L coming after another L, and O coming after L, that forms a string, okay? And when they're put together here, for example, hello, so that is a string, okay? So it's very important to think about a string as a sequence of these characters. And I wouldn't want to call a character a letter. It can be even a number. So you can have my username, okay? Username could be 123 J, okay? So you see, there's the number. There are also numbers there. It does not really matter. It can be even my password, okay? My password, I could put something like. You can have even symbols like this, okay? Okay, so it's not just a letter. So a character is just anything that single item in a string, okay?